Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to be here again in the beautiful and hospitable city of Ashgabat. I would like to convey our appreciation to President Bardi Mohammadov and Secretary General Ban Ki-moon for their vision, leadership and initiative in convening this important conference. Pakistan attaches great importance to sustainable development goals as they complement our own development priorities. We have already embarked upon the journey for implementation of these goals, which have been integrated in the Vision 2025, our National Economic and Development Plan. We are determined to achieve the SDGs well before 2030. Mr. Chairman, our presence here today is also a manifestation of the importance to Central Asia. Pakistan is also a party to the Intergovernmental Agreement on Asian Highway Network. We have improved most segments of the Asian Highway Network in our territory in accordance with the Asian Highway Standards. Work on the remaining stretches is also underway on priority basis. Under the Intergovernmental Agreement on the Trans-Asian Railway Network, Pakistan Railways has taken numerous steps to facilitate the rail traffic on segments passing through our territory. Pakistan is signatory to a number of bilateral, regional and international traffic and transit agreements. Pakistan also has acceded to the TIR Convention as well as the WTO Trade Facilitation Agreement. We are confident that these arrangements would facilitate promotion of mutually beneficial economic relations with the Central Asian countries. We are also developing integrated transit trade management system, which will further promote cross-regional trade. With the support of Asian Development Bank, state-of-the-art facilities are being constructed at our border points, which are Wagah, Torkham and Chaman. Mr. Chairman, Pakistan is simultaneously promoting regional energy and infrastructure projects, including Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, gas pipeline project, Kasa 1000 electricity project and Kunnar power project. Mr. Chairman, in the context of connectivity and regional integration, there is now a game changer, China's One Belt, One Road initiative. It aims to create the world's largest platform to integrate development of various regions in the Eurasian landmass. Pakistan, as a partner, is fully committed to this initiative, which will go a long way in realizing our vision for transforming Pakistan into a hub of trade and commerce and harnessing its geostrategic location into a geo-economic advantage. The most promising element of this initiative is the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, a package of multiple infrastructure and development projects that would boost connectivity in the region, help integrate South Asia, China, Central Asia and the Middle East, and offer opportunities for hundreds of millions of people in this region. CPEC provides the shortest access to our seaports from the Central Asian republics and Western China. On 13th of November, I was at Gwadar seaport to inaugurate the first shipment of goods destined for international markets. It was a historical moment as the first mega trade cargo convoy reached Gwadar from Xinjiang, China, through China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. This heralded a new era of regional integration, development and prosperity. Mr. Chairman, the 21st century is a century of connectivity. Without adequate internal communication networks and integration with the regions and beyond, countries will risk being left behind in the race for development. And Mr. Chairman, as we all know, peace and development are interlinked. Without regional peace and stability, we will not be able to reap the benefits of connectivity and integration. That is why peaceful neighborhood is a key pillar of our policy. Mr. Chairman, we must all work together for creating an environment that would enable us to fully exploit the dividends of our wide-ranging policies and programs of regional connectivity and integration. This requires mutual understanding and cooperation, as well as bold and visionary leadership. We are confident that with our collective endeavors, we will be able to deliver on the promise for peace, security, and prosperity of our peoples. I would like to take this historic opportunity to announce our agreement in principle to join the Ashgabat Agreement as well as Lapis Lazuli Corridor. I am positive that this will not only be beneficial to Pakistan, but to the entire Central Asian and South Asian regions and beyond, through integration of economies, markets, and more importantly, cultures, which provide the doorway for peaceful coexistence. I have asked my relevant government ministers to approach the depository countries for an early start of negotiations in this behalf. Mr. Chairman, we must all work together for creating an environment that would enable us to fully exploit the dividends of our wide-ranging policies and programs of regional connectivity and integration. This requires mutual understanding and cooperation, as well as bold and visionary leadership. We are confident that with our collective endeavors, we will be able to deliver on the promise for peace, security, and prosperity of our peoples. I thank you.